The subtopic is pseudo first order reaction. So what is mean by pseudo first order reaction? 3-mark question. A second order reaction can be altered to a first order reaction by taking one of the reactant in large excess. Such reaction is called a pseudo first order reaction. Okay, once again, a second order reaction can be altered to a first order reaction by taking one of the reactant in large excess. Such reaction is called a pseudo first order reaction. Example: methyl acetate CH3COO-CH3. Methyl acetate undergoes hydrolysis reaction in acid medium to give acetic acid and methanol. Here two reactants are there, methyl acetate and water. Here water is a excess amount of the reaction, but there is no significant change in the concentration of water during hydrolysis. Here rate of reaction, we know that the product of initial concentration of reactant and rate constant. Here there is no significant, the excess of water during the hydrolysis reaction does not depend upon the rate of reaction. So now we alter the rate equation. Rate is equal to K dash into methyl acetate only. Here it is independent of the initial concentration of water. Okay, this type of reaction is called a pseudo first order reaction. It's very important 3-mark question. Next one, integrated rate law for the zero order reaction. It's a very important 3-mark or 2-mark question. A reaction in which the rate is independent of the concentration of reactant over a wide range of concentration is called a zero order reaction. Very important. Simply I am told you, it is independent of the initial concentration of the reactant is called a zero order reaction. Okay, next, the A is one of the reactant. It gives the product. Rate is equal to rate law. Rate law is nothing but in the rate constant and the initial concentration of the reactant. Here is independent of the initial concentration of the reactant, it means 0. That is a zero order reaction. Here minus d of dA divided by dt is equal to K into 1, because A naught is equal to 1. That is K into 1 K. D of A is equal to K into dt. We take a integral value, the limiter A naught to A. So minus D of A is equal to K into integral 0 to T dt minus A. D of A is equal to A only. We want to applying the upper limit and lower limit equal to K into T 0 to T. So A naught minus A is equal to KT, where K is a rate constant for the zero order reaction. So K is equal to A naught minus A divided by T. Here the K value applying the plotted against the straight line, Y is equal to mx plus C. A is equal to minus KT plus A naught. This reaction, this equation is related to the Y is equal to C plus mx. Okay. Next, the graph plotted against the initial concentration of the reactant and time. We get the slope value minus K value. So next 3-mark question. Example for the zero order reaction. The photochemical reaction between the hydrogen and chlorine H2 and Cl2 in the presence of sunlight to give 2 HCl. This reaction should follow zero reaction. the decomposition of nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide on heating hot of platinum surface, N2O gives N2 plus of O2. This reaction is example for zero reaction. Next one, iodination of acetone in acid medium. The acetone treated with iodine in acid medium to give iodoacetone and HI. This reaction follows zero reaction. K into acetone only, excess amount of iodine does not depend upon the reaction. So this reaction is example for zero odd reaction. Okay students, thank you so much.